this first example, which is example 3.1. So this is the example. Hopefully you can look at this one. Example 3.1. Okay, this one from this book. So what you need to do is, a ball is thrown with initial velocity of 16 meter per second given. As shown, determine Sx1 or Sb in x direction and Sx2 Sd in x direction, and also the H max, the maximum height, which is at point C. So we have three component: H max, Sx1, Sx2. Okay, so the first one, what you can do is, we will base on these three equations: v equal to u at, u plus at, v squared equal to u squared something. Okay, we will base on that three equation. Okay, so we want to have what now? The Sx. Okay, Sx, remember that in x direction we only have this equation: Sx minus Sox equal to ux plus at. Okay, but in this case we want this one actually, but we didn't know the time. What is the time to reach point B and to reach point D? So first we might want to use the y-axis first to get the time, and then later on put in this equation to get the s. Okay, so we want to use time first, t. So the acceleration must always involve 2 points. So let's say we use 2 points, point A and B first. So from point A and B, okay, choose from these three equations that will give you time. Okay, so here you can see we have from equation 1 and equation 2 we have the time. Okay, v equal to u plus at. If we want to choose the equation 1, you have, okay, analyze now. V will be Vb, u will be Va. Okay, so the thing is, Vb you didn't know, Va you know, A acceleration you know, but the time also you didn't know. So you have 1 and 2 unknowns. You cannot choose this equation. Okay, so that's and then we have to go to the next one that have time, which is this one. Okay, S displacement in y direction, which is given here 3 meter. So you know So is known, and then u initial you know, A is constant. The only unknown is t. So you can use this equation to get the t, and later on put back in x direction to get the displacement. Okay, AB, let's say AB first we write in y direction. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to draw your axis first. Choose one point to be a reference point. Let's say here I'm taking the A as reference point. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Once I'm choosing this, our S displacement at point A will be 0, because this here is 0, 0. Okay, 0x, 0y. So displacement for point A will be 0. This velocity at point A will be this velocity. Okay, so use this equation. We have Sy, which is Sy from point A to B, which is Syb, Sby minus Say, okay, in between A and B, equal to u initial, so Va in y direction, t plus half Ay, so this is Ay, t from A to B squared from A to B. Okay, from A to B. Okay, so that's the equation. And put the thing that you know, Sby. Why is Sby? It is given here. Displacement of B in y direction, which is 3 meters. So 3 minus Say, initial point 0 equal to, okay, Va in y direction. What is Va in y? Given here V is 16, so you can resolve this one, y into x and y into y. So use this one to x, so equal to Vay will be 16 sine 60. Okay, this is 16 cos 60. 16 sine 60 will go this one, and it is go upward and y is positive upward, so I'm putting the positive value here. And then we have t a b, that the thing that we want to find, plus half. Okay, a we know that always 9.81 going downward, so our y positive upward, x positive to the right, so the value here must be negative 9.81 because it goes downward opposite direction of y. And then we have TAB squared. Okay, so the only unknown here is the TAB. You have the square of TAB here, so you can solve this equation using your calculator. Directly you can have the TAB equal to 0.236 or 2.59. Okay, the time. You have two time. Okay, which one you want to choose? Okay, this happened because at the same level we have 2 points. Okay, meaning that at these two levels we have point B and point D. Okay, to arrive at same level, because we are using this one as 3 meter as our SY, something here 3 meter. So at 3 meter there are 2 points here. So that the T to arrive A to B 0.236, T A to D equal to 2.59 seconds. Okay, there's two different T, meaning that for two different points. So now you have already got the T. You can use in Y direction, still on AB. Now we have AB. The equation in Y direction, in X direction. Okay, X direction will be, you put the S, so B. Bx minus Sox equal to Vax Tab, and then the other part is A in X direction is 0, so plus 0. Okay, so replace this one. You have SB is the one that you want to find, which is Sx1 minus So1. It is reference point. We are taking Sox. Sox will be, Sox is Sax. Okay, initial point. Sa is 0 equal to Va in the X direction, so you have 16 cos 60, and Tab